Bengaluru has emerged as a prime target for cybercriminals in 2024 with a staggering Rs 1,242.7 crore lost to cyber frauds in just the first 8 months of the year. This marks a significant increase of Rs 214.6 crore compared to the combined losses of the last 3 years, according to data from the city's cybercrime department. The losses this year alone surpassed those recorded in 2021, 22, and 23 together, underscoring the growing severity of cybercrimes in the city. Bengaluru reported 12,356 cybercrime cases from January to August 31st, averaging 1,544 cases per month. In contrast, 17,633 cases were reported in the whole of 2023, with a monthly average of 1,470. Despite the sharp increase in incidents, the detection rate remains alarmingly low. Authorities have managed to solve only 552 cases, equating to a mere 4.4% resolution rate, and have recovered just Rs 111.8 crore, only 8.9% of the total amount lost. The surge in cybercrime has been attributed to increasingly sophisticated methods employed by criminals. A senior officer from the Criminal Investigation Department pointed out that criminals are continually upgrading their tactics, making it harder for law enforcement to catch them. Investment fraud, particularly involving new stock market investors, has become one of the most profitable schemes, with individuals losing crores of rupees in a single go. Other scams, including those related to courier services, Aadhaar-enabled payments, and job offers, have also seen a rise. While the Bengaluru police have focused on tracking down kingpins behind these frauds, many cases involving smaller sums of money remain unresolved. A senior city police officer criticized this approach, noting that victims of smaller frauds are often left without any recourse, creating a sense of injustice among those affected. The issue is compounded by a severe shortage of cybercrime investigators. Nearly 39% of sanctioned posts remain vacant, with many officers being reassigned to high-profile special investigation teams, further straining resources. Investigators face increasing pressure, and burnout among staff is a growing concern. As the city continues to grapple with these challenges, experts are calling for stronger preventive measures and greater public awareness to combat the rising tide of cybercrime. With losses already at record levels and the year not yet over, Bengaluru's battle against cybercriminals is far from won. Sources: Deccan Herald, New Indian Express, and Cybercrime Department data.